If you're looking for cutting-edge AI voice technology that just hit the market, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into X2Voice, ElevenLabs, an AI voice software that's making waves, and I'm going to cover 7 things you absolutely need to know about it. Stick around till the end, because I've got some crucial insights and tips that can save you time and money if you decide to jump into this tech. But first, if you're interested in giving this software a try, I've dropped a link below where you can access it for free. Don't miss out on the chance to test it yourself. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, X2Voice. ElevenLabs uses incredibly advanced speech synthesis technology that makes text-to-speech sound almost indistinguishable from a real human voice. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or someone just looking to experiment with AI, this tool is perfect for generating high-quality voiceovers without the need for a studio or even an actual voice actor. What makes this tool stand out is its personalization capabilities. Unlike traditional TTS systems that sound robotic, ElevenLabs allows you to create voice models that can match specific tones, accents, and even mimic certain people's voices. You can customize these voices to sound like you or anyone else for that matter, as long as you have the necessary training data. Imagine the possibilities, creating authentic sounding voices for your brand or even for storytelling, all with just a few tweaks. Another crucial aspect is the multilingual support. This software isn't limited to just English. It supports various languages, allowing for global application. So, if you need to create content in Spanish, French, or even niche languages, ElevenLabs has got you covered. One of the things that impressed me about this software is its real-time processing. You don't need to wait long for voice generation. It works fast, which is a huge time saver if you're in a rush or working on tight deadlines. The AI can read your script and generate a voiceover almost immediately, which really accelerates content production. The voice quality is also worth highlighting. Compared to other AI voice solutions, ElevenLabs delivers incredibly lifelike results. The voice modulation is smooth, with natural pauses and intonations. This is especially important for those looking to create engaging audio content, as it can maintain listener attention much better than mechanical-sounding voices. In terms of pricing, while ElevenLabs offers free trials, you'll want to pay attention to the subscription tiers. The paid plans come with additional features like more voice models, faster rendering, and higher quality output. So, if you plan on using it for business or large-scale content creation, it's worth considering the investment. Now, let's talk about the user experience. One of the things I really appreciate is how user-friendly the interface is. Even if you're new to AI tools, you'll find navigating through ElevenLabs intuitive. They've made it so that you can start generating voices within minutes without needing any technical skills. Lastly, I need to mention the future potential of ElevenLabs. This tool is only going to improve as AI technology evolves. With constant updates and innovations, this could very well become the go-to platform for anyone looking to use voice AI for content creation, marketing, or even personal projects. So, here's my final tip. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in content creation or want a tool that helps you craft realistic, customizable voiceovers quickly, X2Voice. Plus, ElevenLabs is definitely worth checking out. Remember, you can try it for free using the link below. And if you're looking for more AI tools, I've listed some of my top recommendations in the description. These are the software I trust after testing thousands of options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.